Yeah, it's got enough grass for about 30 years.
Does she need some room?
No grass. Definitely need to put some spray in that thing. You just pull it back. What?
Hey.
That's a Jeep. Right now, I gotta get some concrete. I got concrete right there. And here. So, open that up. Probably a bag and grab a bag and a half. Almost half of it. Half and then a bag. Oh yeah, she's heavy. Then we got water out there actually.
I'll pay you if you get the ball and score a touchdown.
How much?
$10.
$20.
Fuck no, get the hell out of here.
20?
Doll hairs.
He gave me 20 for cleaning the driveway before.
You pick up a fumble and run that bitch all the way to touchdown.
I'm not allowed to do the ball.
Yes, you are. If somebody fumbles it, anybody's allowed to do it.
Dad,
That wasn't there?
Dad, you remember the time when you was mowing and you put me right
You
here,
talking about the
Dad?
one that's the gate's on?
Yeah.
That wasn't there.
The gate wasn't there, remember?
No.
You don't? I never had access to the land at first.
Oh.
I used to just have to walk over that.
What?
You remember the time when you was mowing and you put me right here? You put me Yo! Throw the whole bag in.
Oh, you're working.
Breathe it in.
What about me? What about me? Come back here.
What?
Hey, yo, chill.
Hey, yo. Alex, the pro. When you moving in?
He ain't like sitting still all day. Yeah. The tractor right there. You're supposed to be calling the dealer.
Dad,
Today's Saturday.
Dad,
Tomorrow's Sunday.
oh, Dad, where's my $2?
Feels like Sunday today.
You didn't pay me. Ew, what is that making?
Concrete.
Concrete? food.
What time?
Yeah, you eat it. Ugh.
You want to get it? But the AC ain't been working in the tractor.
I want to go for
Hey Eli, be careful. He was happy.
He's like, so you want me to get enough chicken for everybody?
You can. A thing, right? Thanks, real good. Just chewed up grass.
They can go anywhere in here. This house is this is the they can only start up in here. Oh. I've always seen them over
here. Dusty?
Can be a tight fit.
You want a pipe wrench?
You got a big pipe wrench? Or a big wrench? Like last week when I did the feelings, that's what bumped up my figure. I couldn't do all this. Hey, buddy.
He's out of there. Oh, this splatter beats everywhere.
Ew. It's all over you.
I felt something, I ain't gonna lie.
They hit your lip. Is it gonna open in and out?
Yeah.
Those are not cheap, but cheaper ones. That's literally what they're literally meant to do fences.
Fishing light. That's like gas.
Yeah, perfect.
Beautiful. What up, YouTube? Yeah, we finally got this done. Check it out. So I had some friends come over. I think I got them on video, actually. So we put this post up, nailed this in, and then we put another post down there where that gate used to be. And obviously another one here. And then now we got the pin set up. We moved the water from right here over to this side. So now the water's in the shade. It's about 30 degrees cooler. Like we said, we live in Texas, so we cleaned it up. Here's this side. My neighbor's fence is pretty much gone, so we might run probably run a hot wire around this whole thing right here, just for when we have to get them in. We just got this bungee cord. We're gonna leave this open pretty much all the time. But yeah, so you know, you just lock it, obviously, and we can swing it either way. So works both ways. Pretty happy with that. Pretty satisfied with that. But yeah, for now we'll leave it open. And we've been feeding the cow right here. Pretty much, usually just like feed her out of there. There's some sweet feed in there, keeping her happy. The cow and the horse are roaming right now, out and about. So yeah, that's the update. Maybe I'll get some more shots or something, but for now we done got the weeds trimmed back a little bit on here. We finally moved the horse trailer from the front over here. We used the side-by-side. Maybe I'll throw that video in there too. But yeah, for now we're looking good.